Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes to sell. First, research your local food safety regulations and secure all required permits to operate legally. Next, craft a detailed business plan outlining your target audience, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. Finally, invest in high-quality baking equipment and premium ingredients to ensure consistent, delicious results every time. Now, let's talk about the baking process. Focus on mastering a few signature cupcake recipes that consistently deliver excellent flavor and texture. Dedicate time to practicing various decorating techniques, as visual appeal significantly impacts sales. Remember to use consistent portioning, perhaps with a 2-ounce scoop, to ensure all your cupcakes are uniform in size and appearance. Effective packaging and smart pricing are crucial for success. Select attractive and sturdy packaging that not only showcases your beautiful cupcakes, but also protects them during transport. Carefully calculate all your costs, including ingredients, labor, and overhead, to set profitable prices. You might consider offering various package sizes, such as a 6-pack for $18 or a dozen for $35, to appeal to different customers. Finally, let's discuss getting your delicious cupcakes into customers' hands. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram to visually showcase your stunning creations and engage with potential buyers. Participate in local farmers markets, craft fairs, and community events to connect directly with customers. Offering samples and special promotions, such as a buy 3 get 1 free deal, can effectively attract new customers and boost sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.